behind me.
Oh, it's
Oh, let me
behind
from the
you.
back.
Yeah, don't fall.
from the
Do
back.
not fall back.
Yo.
Follow us. Follow.
God,
Where are you,
I did
Bishop?
not consent from the
Come
back.
back here. Come back here.
Reloading. All right. Keep your eyes.
Ay, gago! What the
Through
heck?
here.
Nagulat ako. I hear it! Oh my god! Nice. Scary.
Coach. Coach.
Scary shit. Oh wait,
That's a nasty damn wreck.
let me
Into those things. Get
change the
real
settings for
squirrely in the rain.
my audio because I can't hear stuff.
Oh. Hear the game or me?
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness.
God, I was going to make a joke pero nakalimutan ko yung pangalan.
No!
Oh no.
Why are you not dying?
Watch out.
I'm so annoyed. Die already.
Reloading.
Some cards set of alarms.
Reloading.
Yes, please do not shoot those. Thank you. So like the
You're
reason
not
why
Teslas?
I asked like for you to try the settings. Ay gago! Oh no. Bye.
You're into the building.
I'm such a sucker for these! Oh my god, I'm down. Okay, so like the
You just-
reason why, yeah, I asked you to do the, what's that called?
Hold up, yo.
Lighting mod.
Yeah, the
thing.
lighting mod thing, because like this map can get really dark. As in,
Oh,
yeah.
I'd be fine.
Ooh, okay.
Yun nga lang.
You here.
Up. God damn it, I'm the white guy.
You're the white guy. What was that sound? Okay. Oh, there's a smoker somewhere around here. I don't know where. Oh, I'm falling. Bye. It's okay, go
Or-
down here. Go down here.
Or who?
The who? Boomer.
Who?
Ingat. Oh my god. Nice.
Don't shoot me.
Oh. The who? Oh, you're here. Retribution. Oh my god, it still got me. What the fuck? What was that? It used the car as a ramp.
Reloading.
This is so
That was out of nowhere.
embarrassing. Please, I'm gonna cry.
Are you recording ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is
Okay,
embarrassing.
so I was going to mention a name. Pero ayoko ilabas sa internet.
GG. Okay.
I'm a reload.
Let us look for supplies.
Reloading.
Oh,
Pills here.
Beshu! Come here. I give you these. Where are you? Yon.
Just provide the white guy.
Tama. No, not provide. What is that? Oh my god. Oh my
hello?
god. Incoming attack. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's the rider. It's the rider.
It's Danny DeVito.
Okay. No. This is Danny DeVito slander. Where is? Why can't I shoot the fucking glass? This is like
Physics.
This is bulletproof glass.
Reload that shit out.
Sheesh.
Reloading.
Loading.
Reloading.
Loading.
That. Okay, wala na sila. Where's the boomer? He's a noisy bitch. Sheesh. Left side.
A
Found you.
boomer.
Oh my god,
Wow.
another one.
Oh, a spear.
Oh my god.
Ano?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she a speedy one.
It's gonna get me. I hate you.
Oh, another big boy.
I hate that big boy. Annoying. Caught my ass like 2 times now.
No consent.
Oh, I'm getting that. There's a katana.
We have guns here.
Katana. Get it.
Let me get a shotty.
You get the shotty. Oh, Besh, there's ano. Whoa, what's happening? There is a pipe bomb.
Pipe bomb.
Get that. There's a tank.
No, 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 no.
There's
I
a
am a
tank.
samurai.
Oh my
I
god.
don't need a pipe bomb.
Wait. No, get it. Get it. We
Ay,
need it.
ay, momay.
Ew. Do not do that to me. And there's a hunter somewhere. Don't go out of the house.
I'm a samurai.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh yes, God.
Oh my god.
You need assistance. Hello.
Nah, I'm fine.
My intervention.
The point in
Yun.
We're gonna die. Wait. Ubusin na lang natin to kasi there's gonna be a tank later. And we don't want that tank. We do not want the tank. Okay.
We have
Excuse
guns
me.
here.
Excuse me.
Alright, coming
Excuse
through.
me.
Excuse me.
Let's go. Follow
Excuse
me.
me.
Oh shit, yep, there he is. Run, 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 run! Oh sheesh! Oh sheesh! Oh sheesh! Okay, nice.
That was mine.
I'm so proud of us, even with the stupid. Oh my god! Boomer? Boomer! Kill it! Nice! Let's go! The Italian in you is working. Oh my god.
Watch out. Charge it.
Asan na ba siya?
Okay.
The charger. Oh god. Oh, what is happening to my gun? Bye.
Reloading.
Hey, this is my Comicho.
You owe
Comicho security.
security. Okay, there's basically nothing. Okay, we're fine. Can we jump over here? Ayun. Okay, so remember this area because we're gonna go back here.
Careful, smoker.
Where?
Who?
The who? Who are you?
Tumoka-san. Oh my god, we got a parkour?
Yeah, we're gonna find him. Oh my god! Oh, bye! No! Not again. And not another one. Where? Oh! Wow. Why are you there?
Yo,
Oh, bye!
Danny DeVito.
Goodbye! Danny DeVito!
Somewhere.
Danny DeVito! I'm basically like... Okay, so if I die,
Weapons
there's a
over here.
defibrillator here so you can revive me.
Oh my god. That's a lot of responsibility.
Okay lang, kaya mo yun, Besho.
Gotta scream out of panic.
It's okay.
But not
It's a
at the
mood.
disco.
There's a big boy. Another big boy outside. Everything's so fucking dark.
Oh, katanas don't work on Windows as well.
I know, right? It's weird. Okay, there's nothing in here. Oh my god!
Proof Windows.
Katana proofed and bulletproofed. It's weird. Why is there another smoker?
Tumoka-san?
Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god.
Hey. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
Kuyoku. Naneru. My copyright thieves.
There's a station.
Shut up.
So let me do some
Oh my god. Yeah, no, don't touch me. Touch me not. Okay, we're fine.
Reload.
Run! What is that?
Damn, Rochelle, nice.
Okay, we go inside. Oh my god, why are they going inside? Okay, yon.
Naneru.
Okay, what else do we have here? Let me heal.
What?
Okay. Oh. Oh my god, they have the auto shotgun mine! Mod? Oh no.
What?
These. My AK-47 is modded. What the heck?
Let me see.
In my
no,
screen, it looks like something.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Okay.
This is weird. I didn't mod my AK-47 anyways. Oh my god!
Do you recommend pitchfork or sword?
Beshu? Oh! The sword has the katana has the fastest, what do you call that? Hit speed, yan.
Oh.
Sir.
Italian samurai.
Why the fuck is Coach not getting med kit? Coach,
Think about
get the med kit, bro. No! Ayun, okay.
What?
What? That's... Oh. Okay, never mind. He got it from the med
ready?
pack. It's fine. Okay. We're fine. Let's go.
The shotgun.
I
For
got
the-
it.
The
Shotty.
VVTs. I got a shotty for the VVH.
Tama.
I'll block the door. Oh,
You're
go
blocking the door. Hold the door.
Oh.
Up, my bad.
Show na ini.
My bad.
There's the sugar
Got
mill.
your leg.
Reload.
In here.
Got your head. And got your head.
Oh my god. Spitter. Spitter. Where is she?
Come on, this way.
Him, not she.
I see.
You. What's better?
Up there. Oh my god. There's a big boy.
Where?
I got the big boy. He was hiding from
give me
us.
some.
Okay.
Pare.
Oh my god! I'm gonna hide behind you. He's hiding here. Oh my
Hide
god!
behind the white man. Oh,
Hide Ellis. KS. Okay. Oh my god. Not the tight spaces. Yeah, no, shut up. Oh,
It's tight.
there- shut up.
Celebrity yarn.
Who? There's a hunter. Oh my god.
Oh,
Ay, balik ka na nga dito. Oh my god, bye! Bye! Where is she?
Hello?
Where? Oh my god! Okay, we're fine.
Let's see.
There's another one! Do you hear that?
Me
I don't-
shari the shari.
She's... Oh, it's a wandering one. Okay.
You're shooting me, right?
Kaya mo yan, Beshu. Do you want to like get her first? Or... Oh no! Okay, nice.
No.
The clutch.
Oh, he just a bitch.
We love to see the clutch.
Are you just aggressive?
I hear a charger.
Beshu,
There's a pipe
Son,
bomb here.
there's more... Breeze hit. Oh! Oh, these are not the guns I want. Anyways.
Ako ah. Oh, head not with the shari. Head shari the shari na.
Beshu, stay inside here.
Ay,
Let's ubos them muna. There's gonna be a lot of zombies.
yo.
Reloading.
Oh, sheesh.
Huh?
I
There?
don't see shit. Why didn't you not die? Okay, let's go.
Training man.
It's gonna be dark as heck once we go back here, honestly. There's a big boy. I don't know. I don't see.
It's
He's so
fitting
nice.
because it's mid.
True.
Called immersion. Huh?
Immersion? Oh my god. The big boy's so noisy. I can hear him groaning. Where the fuck is he? And there's another witch.
Where's the VVH?
I don't know. Oh, she's there, she's there.
Oh wait, mali.
Oh, ingat.
Buttons.
The buttons, your buttons.
Buttons by the Pussycat Dolls. Shall I shoot her?
Okay, go. I'll cover you. What did I startle her? What the heck? You shot her first. Unfair.
Maybe she's...
There's another witch.
Where?
I don't know. I hear her lang.
Over there.
Okay, let's go down.
Serving.
Big boy, where are you? Whoa, I see him. He fell. Okay.
Oh, she's on the floor.
He's on the floor.
Hello?
Big boy? The big boy's there. Big
Oh,
boy.
the big boy can climb.
Damn. Okay, not much.
Oh, no. Need more ammo for the VVX.
You need the ammo.
10 or 15 bullets left.
Oh my god. We need more ammo for you. Ako na lang mag-startle sa kanya. Hunter? Oh sheesh. Nor. Sige, ako na lang mag-startle. Spear?
Boxing card po, sir. Boxing card na po.
Oh,
Boxing card na po. Hello.
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 Beshu.
I did
Oh
not
my god.
consent.
Oh.
I did not.
You did not consent for that. What the heck? Wait. Wait.
Oh my god, I'm being bandaged.
Oh, I did not reach him. I'm so sorry. Revenge! Asan siya? He's gone.
For...
So noisy. So noisy. I see you! Come back here!
Chill there.
Okay, we're fine. Okay, let's move. Beshu though, don't follow me. Don't go down. Nah. Oh, there's so many here.
Replace my long... Or is it a shotty?
Did you get another shotty?
Oh,
We have guns here.
shot the gun.
It's you want?
Good.
Oh wait, never mind. My shotgun's almost out of ammo too.
Shotgun.
Okay. This is fine.
Like a spitter.
Is that a spitter? Spitter in it? LSKS. There's another witch. We're dead.
Oh, nah.
Where is she? Where is she?
Water's starting to pool.
Oh, she there. Oh my god.
Oh.
Beshu! Stay safe. Wait.
This is not a fast reload shot.
That is not the fast reload shot. You have to run.
Fighting.
Oh god. Wait, there's ano. Oh my god! Okay.
A boy missed.
Big boy miss.
A big boy missed
Oh,
na
this is so
ini.
sad. Walang ano.
Alright, weapons.
It's not here.
Who?
The shotgun.
Nani?
No shotgun. Oh my god. Yeah, no shotty.
Oh my god, why he's spitting on the driveway?
Why? No. Okay. Can we escape? Let's go out.
Oh, brokeable windows.
Okay, never mind. Stay back inside. Get back inside, Beshu.
Oh my god,
Oh my god.
I'm right time.
What is this mod I installed for my AK? What the heck? It's so weird. It's a weird
Does it
mod.
look like?
It's like camo patterned AK. Oh my god! It's riding me. Nice! Whoa! Oh my god! Goat? The way you got an achievement! Oh my god, big boy!
Zoro no Zoro.
Tama! Oh my god, what the
Here,
fuck?
finer bearings.
Okay, we're fine.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
We
Why
gotta
are
go
you break-
up. There's a tank here. Bye. Wala akong ano. I do not have a Molotov.
I did not get jump scared.
We do not appreciate getting jump scared. I'll be the guinea pig muna. Oh my god, where?
Look out!
Oh sheesh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he shot you! Oh my god, he shot you! Alice is gonna die. Okay,
Was that
never-
Goku?
I know, right? What the fuck was that punch? Oh, you died! Where are you?
I'm getting some help.
Where are
I'm in
you?
heaven.
I see your body. Wait lang. On the way.
Baby.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Behind you.
Nakakatakot yung boses mo. Visit ka.
I am a ghost.
Shut up.
No, the echo.
Okay, you're
Not
still
only
alive.
did Goku punch me over here, I lost weapon
You lost your weapon? We go back here to get another weapon.
in my item. So anong klaseng punch yun,
We have guns
Goku?
here!
Damn.
Uh,
Here, get these.
okay for now.
Okay,
How
escape.
many goddamn witches are there?
Oh. Oh my god, ang ingay. Ang ingay mo. There's a big boy here. Oh, there's another big boy. Big boy.
Alright, that's better.
Okay, we go back up. If I hear something. This is annoying.
Chainsaw here.
Do you still have your katana?
Got a chainsaw.
Oh no, not
Oh.
going to
I hit it.
Wait,
Oh,
I
no.
don't want. No.
Okay. Now we protect ourselves.
Grenade!
Oh my god.
Yeah, oh my god. Hunter. Oh, big boy. Big boy. Haha. Oh, big boy. Oh? Oh, yo.
Did he jump?
Oh my god, he jumped. My bad. What the?
Oh my god.
Oh god. No! The pew! Coach, mag-heal. Wait. Don't move. They're gonna heal you.
Maybe a sniper was a bad idea.
Bussin' and let me hear you.
Uh-oh.
Maybe.
Okay.
Just maybe.
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe.
tonight. Okay,
Maybe.
come here. Let's go. Napakatagal naman ni Coach. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Maybe.
So, it's gonna be hella dark after we accomplish traversing this, what is this called? Sugar mill.
It's I.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What is up with you shooting me?
I shoot the zombie in the mail.
It's riding me! Nice.
Ayo,
Hey,
crazy.
yo. Yo. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
It pounced on you.
Not that. Nice with Emma bottom, not like that.
Use a gun.
Gio should have done that to you. Okay. So what we do here is we follow this.
Keep moving. Just head for the sign.
Just follow this.
Jesus, there's a
Follow the pipe.
Follow the pipe until we can't follow it anymore.
Women was at my wedding.
Follow the pick up it.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is a perfect summer getaway.
Samurai getaway.
Oh,
Ang
that's
ingay naman mo, be. Oh my god!
I almost sliced her ass.
I almost like soft touched her. Oh my god, big boy. Big boy, another big boy. Stay away, big boy.
Big boy must away from the big boy.
It's the rider. Why are you
That's
healing
a-
there?
That's a headshot. Headshot work on a witch though.
Yeah, it would work on a witch. But you gotta run.
Inside the gas station.
Yawn. Okay.
Shall I test it?
Sige, okay. I'll cover you.
Excuse me.
Where
that
is she?
bibit?
Where is she?
Bitch.
Oh, she's here, she's here. Okay.
1, 2, wait, shot to! Oh my god.
Oh,
Did you startle it?
I startled her? What is this?
Spin things around.
Was my shot so clean she didn't
She
notice
did-
it?
There's another one! Oh my god! There's another one! Beshu, you're dying.
I'm dying for Geo always.
Don't. Oh my god. Nice.
Spider-Man just landed in front of me.
Okay, we're fine.
Ay,
We're fine. Get back inside. Okay, after this, it's gonna be hella
Hey,
dark.
get in here.
Okay.
uh-huh.
3, 2.
Oh,
We got it.
General defense. Tell the
got
most
it.
father.
We got it.
3K, goddamn! Wait, ako yung 1.6? Wow.
Why is there?
Wait, Spear Street 1666?
Oh my gosh.
Hello?
Oh my gosh. Help.
Ayan, napanood ko pala yung First Street kanina.
Oh, how was it? Speaking as like a
Oh.
non-fan of the Fear Street
Right.
series. Yeah, it's I.
It's alright. At least I know that Emily Rudd can act.
Tama. As you should. As you should know.
We got
Ah.
it. Pump it back
Oh.
He should be. She's going to be Nami.
Ay,
Here you go.
oo nga, so ba? And it's in
Thank
your
you.
favorite series pa. So like, yeah.
Especially when they have an emotional moment in her arc.
Oh shit, oo nga no. True. Cause like the last...
need-
What did I say? Anyways. Ayun. Continue.
Di ba you're at Logtown?
Yeah. The previous arc was
Obviously,
hers.
the finale of season 1.
The finale of season 1. Is there like a fast shotgun here? Oh, there is.
With a fast shorty.
Get the fast shotty.
I already have... wait, ito pala yung ano, fast shorty.
My AK is so fucking weird because like it keeps changing camo each map we're done in. Anyways,
Where's the weirdness?
that's weird. Anyways, we're fine.
Quirk!
We're fine. I think.
What's your
Okay.
quirk from My Hero Academia?
Shut
Is that
up.
aesthetic quirk?
Aesthetic quirk. It brings me joy. Okay, we got
And
the
any item you have will have the change aesthetic.
as it should. Okay, now we get out. Oh my god! No bueno. Ow! Excuse me.
Sir? I need
Ay,
you.
Beshu. So like after we're done with all like the regular... Oh my god, that's hella noisy. What the fuck?
Hello, sir. What version?
Wait, sige, after this... Oh
Is it
my
raining
god!
Or are we being noobed?
I think we're being nuked. Help. Sakit na tenga, tang-ilan to.
Reloading.
I
Oh,
need
big
to
boy.
put... Oh my god, big boy! I need to put down my volume. Wait.
Order na.
Hello, okay. Why this... It sounds so bad. Oh my god.
My volume is low but it's still...
It's still so loud. Ayun.
Oh, so Philippine weather. Biglang nawawala.
Yeah, we Reset. I hate this weather. Parasite fans when you say the weather is nice when it rains. Oh shit!
Not from behind, sir. Excuse me, I did not consent.
We did not consent to this, excuse you. You know what? I think I should have gotten also that. Fast shoddy.
Like to make an
Back to the field.
No, it's okay.
Oh?
I accept
We in
this.
swamp.
I accept
We in
my...
swamp.
Oh my god, Boomer! Where?
Oh, I protect? How?
Nice!
Who?
Wow, Ella's got her done.
Why did my character become like southern all of a sudden? Anyways.
Asa ang bail?
Saan?
Ang bail? Say from Alabama?
From Alabama. What the fuck? What was that? Oh my god. Wait.
Adjo-
You can this elevator back up.
No! Why did you close the door? I'm scared. Okay, ayun.
Hello?
So, hello.
The door allegations?
So, what I was saying kanina, after we're done with all of the Left 4 Dead 2
main
campaigns, yeah, the main campaigns, let's download mods.
The canon
Modded.
campaigns?
Yeah, let's download non-canon campaigns. There is one na a Silent Hill campaign in Left 4 Dead 2.
Oh, loud. Oh, loud.
We play.
I'm thinking of a map pero nasa Call of Duty pala yun. Oh,
Ang gulit. Technically, it is a map. Map
I
campaign.
mean a fan-made map. It's like yung
Yeah.
Batman and Robin, yung Arnold Schwarzenegger na
Oh, they did make
Again,
that?
It was in Call of Duty.
Oh shit, that's cool.
So that's na fan-made pala.
But it's fun. That's okay. Everything naman here in the non-canon maps here in Left 4 Dead 2 is also fan-made. I'll try to look like for a DC themed... Oh shit, big boy. A DC themed map. Big boy.
Oh, that boy running! That boy running! Oh.
Oh, wow, okay. Oh shit, we're getting nuked again. Jump!
Oh my god, pag yung Henry? Oh,
Bag yung Henry? Oh, why is Alice so far? What the fuck? Ang bobo. Why are you far, bro?
Where is the boy?
The boy is
boy
far.
Alice. Boy Alice.
Charot lang.
I don't know if it's a woman screaming or it's the wind.
It's a woman. Oh nga no? Nakakatakot tong Why does it sound like that? The fuck?
They gonna to audition for the Bard and Bellas?
Wait, asan na ba? Oh! LS! KS! Big boy. Okay. Oh sheesh! Oh sheesh!
Oh, from
Damn.
behind the
Ow.
Reloading. Hey, I'm reloading.
I don't have the fast shooty. I can't support you if there's a witch. Oh my god, it's my ex. She's here.
Who?
She's crying. I'm gonna comfort her. Charot. Teshu, where are you? We have to avoid.
Oh my god!
Oh my
I
god!
have fallen. I can't.
They keep
It-
pulling. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh my god, it's a wave! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ma'am.
Wait. It's okay. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Don't.
I
Oh,
did not-
Alice! Why did you do that, Alice? The way that we both didn't notice that, anyways.
The way I just looked at her and said goodbye. I did not consent.
You accepted
goodbye.
your-
To you. Have a nice day.
You accepted your fate. Okay, we're fine. But biglang. Oh my god!
God.
Watch it.
Uh-oh. We're getting nuked again. Ow.
Oh my god, there's one behind me.
There's so many of y'all.
Okay, let's get him again.
One by one lang po kila sa...
There's so many. Oh my god!
Oh!
No!
Oh,
Okay.
oh my god, that
Protect. That was okay. Here. Rebesho.
was
Back.
awkward.
Yeah, that was a thing. Big boy.
Oh,
my God.
a flying boy.
Flying boy. Another big boy. What is in here? Is there a fast shooty? There's no fast shooty.
Ooh, but there are pipe bomber.
The pipe bombs.
The people by me.
Okay,
I'm a reload.
let me use this.
Will I keep the shari or not?
Better.
Depends on you. Oh wow.
Up this pipe.
Drop my sharia if you want to get it.
I'll see.
Out.
Parang,
Look out.
parang, turururu.
Oh my god, she's not yet dead. Why are you not yet dead? Coach!
Oh, I got hit by bird enthusiast.
Okay, we're fine.
Cross here.
We're fine. Beshu. Sige, wait lang. Ay, what the? Okay. Here, Beshu. Slow but steady.
Ah. Hmm.
Yon. Oh my god, I fell! Bye.
Ah.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I can get back up.
Wee.
Stay there. Stay there. Ayun.
What is the battery of this flashlight? Ever ready ata to?
The battery of the flashlight.
The who?
Of the
Hello?
flashlight.
Excuse me?
Hello?
What did you
Beshu.
say?
I said flashlight, bro.
What did you say?
Don't misconstrue my words. Yo.
Don't lawyer me.
Oh she. Everything's here, Beshu. Look behind you. We about to. Oh my god, careful, on your left. Yeah. We about to Mario Kart the shit. Now we go down here. Oh my god. What is that? And okay. Ow.
What is up with you shooting me?
I did not shoot you. What are these allegations now?
Hunter. Who? Flyboy? Where the flyboy at?
Where's Tom Holland?
Not Tom Holland. Oh my god, he's here. Okay. Budget Tom Holland. We're almost
Where we
done.
dropping, boy?
We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay.
Reloading.
Ang more section na ini.
Ta-da!
There's your steps.
Yeah, basically just retrace our steps.
Oh. On rain.
The hot rain.
Hunter.
Oh my
very
god,
cute.
coach. Wow. The AI is stepping up. As it should.
There's the man.
Sheesh.
Oh, mali. Bobo. Ba't ko pinindot yun?
I am going to get the... Tawag dun?
Defibrillator.
Defibrillator and ZAK for Z7. Oh, you got it
Okay.
already. Okay, it's
What?
okay.
The what?
You got the defibrillator.
Defibrillator.
The defibrillator. Is there gonna be a tank kaya?
Probably.
Okay, never mind. Let me get a mollo.
It's the non-dead play.
Okay. Alright, so we are fine. We are okay. And I think we are ready.
Sure.
3,
Yeah.
2,
Blood is fast.
sheesh. Okay. Let's go on the roofs. Wait, let's kill them first.
Cool, what the?
Reloading. Reloading.
Okay, we're done.
We can get
Wait!
across on the
There's
Sheesh.
Reloading. Reloading.
I hear something. It's a big boy. Nah. Alice. Up. There's a long tongue boy.
Careful. Smoker.
I hear you. Oh my god, there's the budget Tom Holland. Where'd he go? What the heck? Okay, we're fine. We climb up here. Is he behind us? Is he
Bye.
Is he behind us? Ew. Oh god. Oh yo. Yo. Coach, no.
Are we going down in a bit of a round?
Sugar, we're not
Reloading.
going down safe. No, we are not. No,
Reloading.
please. Okay.
Oh.
We are
Sino
fine.
to?
We are fine. Now, how do we get down from here? Oh.
Jump into the waa.
Oh, sheesh!
Waa.
Oh my god, I lost a lot of health. Oh my god. It's okay, I can heal pa.
Reloading.
What is
Oh my
happening
God,
to
Ellis.
Ellis?
Ellis, man.
We're all dying. I'm dying. Anyways,
You're dying for who?
for her. Coach, no! I do not consent to this healing.
Do we mention the her?
The who? Oh god, okay, there's a
I'm
storm.
really hysterical laughing.
There's a storm. Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh my
A
god.
TNG thunderstorm. Oh
Bet
my
you
god.
were- Oh! You're there. Let's stay up. Everything is so dark. We're getting nuked. Oh sheesh! I keep falling! Keep falling. This is not fun.
Few jokes to be made there.
Stop. Okay, we're fine.
Baka ba just of
Now we go
blaggers?
down.
Blaggerisms mo. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm
No,
afraid.
it's okay. Here.
Follow.
Okay, follow here. Follow.
There's that porch light we passed on the way in.
Ako, watch up. I don't
You hear that, Boomer? Don't let him speak.
Uma.
I hear something.
Buma
There's-
afoot.
It's a big boy! Beshu, pills.
Here.
Overdose on that.
I'll hold on to these pills.
No?
What is that? I hear something.
What are you saying, man?
I hear something. I do not like the sound.
It's your standard.
What the fuck?
Careful, there's a charger.
Oh my god, it's here. Wow, okay. Oh shit, it worked, it worked, it worked, it worked, it worked. Now, oh, I'm stuck by. Okay. Wow. Kill it. Kill it with fire.
Wait, I'm reloading!
I'm down.
Oh no! Goku! Goku wannabe! It's fine. We alive.
No!
We're
I have
alive.
the fifth.
Please get me up.
It's okay, I'm not yet dead.
Thanks for that.
Girl,
It's not yet dead. It's fine.
Got na
Oh!
real Uzi.
Wow, okay.
Storming it.
Oh my god.
Reloading.
Let me heal.
Cover me, please.
And now we go. We're getting nuked. What the heck?
It's a regular day in the Philippines, you know.
Okay, true. Oh wow, it's the Philippine simulator. What if we're in an
This
apocalypse?
if the Philippines were Americanized.
Okay, true.
Why?
Westernized.
There are a lot of guns everywhere.
Okay, that is very true. No gun control laws here.
If the Philippines became the 51st state,
Oh,
Explosive rounds here.
Besho. Oh my god, there's a lot of...
the
Okay,
Grabbing some frag rounds.
here. Besho, get this.
Cool.
Yawn.
oh, oh my god. Explosive ammunition.
Yes.
Does it work on the katana?
Nah, that would be too powerful, not gonna lie.
Oh, this isn't Genshin.
No, it's not. Sadly. Big boy!
I hear a smoker.
Boy, what is the biggest of boys?
Yeah.
That was mine.
Damn,
Okay.
Rochelle, nice.
I'm reloading.
Wala bang ano? Oh, there's nothing inside the... Oh! I hear. And I see.
Tom Holland was on the roof.
Budget Tom Holland. Okay, follow. We're almost there. Oh my god, we're gonna make our last stand.
Me.
Oh!
Oh, oh sheesh.
Lights out.
Which? Asan ba? Get to the playground.
Playground. We're almost out of here.
Get to the playground. Big boy.
Stop it.
Nice. Oh, she's
Ay,
there! Ah? Ba't ako? Oh wow, you killed it, nice.
I
So
killed it.
weird. I think. Why did it keeps saying that I'm the one who has started it? Oh my god, big boy! Nice.
Does it want to recognize me?
Arr! Let's go! Okay. Run! Run! Inside! Haul ass! Haul ass! Haul ass! Nice.
What gun is this? Hello?
Cause like I'm beside her, okay, but I'm not touching her.
Yeah, that
I'm
might
innocent
work.
in that.
Mhm.
I'm innocent. What is this?
Whatever you say will be used and will be used against the court of law.
Ah,
Okay.
akala ko ano, if I say something, it will be used against me.
Ah, yes.
I would rather
You can
say
see
her
I
name,
studied law.
but like,
Yeah, it's perfect, right?
shut up. Okay, you need to heal Beshu.
Are you sure?
Is we don't need
Fine.
the other medkits in here, so it's fine.
You're gonna bring
We're gonna get the other one. Nice.
a modern side.
Mm. Will you do that? No. Okay.
Yes.
I think. Oh wait, Coach is gonna fucking die. He doesn't have anything. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm ready already.
Got
What's
this just for
up?
you.
Thanks.
Wow.
Wows.
Wow. Coach, you lazy son of a bitch.
What the mean? Oh wait, ano Beshu? I am going to send you a mod that you can download.
The Force.
Preset ka. It's no. It improves the bot's AI. So it makes it smarter.
But would that apply to you already?
Oh,
When we're in game?
oh, wait a minute.
How does that work in multiplayer?
Oh, no. It has to, you also have to have it so that it works for both of us. Because, like, if only one person has it, it's not gonna work in the current map.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
But I'll send it later. Later.
Alright.
Okay.
Maybe there's also like skin mods.
Yeah, there's a lot of skin mods actually. I'll send you like the L4D2 workshop link. And you can traverse and explore.
I can be Naruto!
Tangino. Actually, yeah, you can. You can change your character to look like character models from any. I didn't naman any, but like basta the available series.
Get ready for my new technique, Sasuke! Black no
Genshin.
Jutsu!
Visit. Okay. I think I'm okay na. I got everything naman I need.
Yeah.
Wait, get this.
No!
Ayun.
Thank
Alright, too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
Now we are
But what
ready.
did we get ba and that? What did we get story-wise that we'll have to go back now?
We got gas.
Oh,
That's why we're
we-
retracing our steps.
I thought it will be the last tickets or the last physical album of Twice or something.
Reset!
Let me play my hand cannon, okay?
Well, I agree. Your headcanon's much more better, not gonna lie. Signal the boat with the burger tank sign. Boy, good
You
tank.
just agreed because Twice has Sana.
I'm reloading.
Yes. I
Speaking
have
of
no
Sana,
shame. I have no shame. Sana is love, Sana is life.
Reloading.
Speaking of Sana, you have an interaction with Sana as the topic.
What? What? What does that mean? Help.
Oh.
Oh!
Tell you.
Oh! I just... What the fuck? I hate you. I just realized it.
My sauces.
Your sauces. The senses. The way you're using all 7 senses right now.
Without being truly direct.
There's the burger tank.
Exactly. Okay. Position yourselves, besties.
Oh?
I mean that in the most non-sexual way. Because we're in an apocalyptic setting. I am going to signal. Wait. We need to kill the zombies first.
Oh my god, why am I inside the restaurant, sir?
Oh my god. You inside the restaurant?
Wait. You raise
Ayun.
me up.
We have many more weapons here. Don't touch me.
Without consent. Amen.
Oh my god.
It's you.
I am down, wait. I'm just checking our supplies. Oh, we have so much supplies. Okay. We're getting nuked. Okay. 3, 2, 1. We all stay up here, please. No one get down. Thanks. Oh my god.
Girl?
Oh my god. If there's a tank, I'm gonna cry. Big boy. Oh, okay. I fell. Okay. Ow, my ass.
Okay, that better have been an accident.
I'm going down.
I got these pills.
Middle round.
Oh. There's budget Tom Holland. And it got me? Oh,
Later.
nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
In budget, Tom Hardy over here.
Oh no. Okay, we wait for him to show up. Where is he?
So who?
Where is the big boy? The Tinku? Oh, he's here. Okay, all right.
Lucy boy. Oh my god.
Let's go. Napakabaho mo. Kill him. Kill him. Deserve.
May ammo ba in
Yo.
the restaurant?
Yeah, there's an ammo in the restaurant. Here.
All right,
Up,
weapons.
up, up,
Ups,
wait.
ups.
Time first muna mga zombie.
Time first.
muna.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm reloading.
I do not appreciate these. Go heal this. Okay. Severely do not appreciate these.
Do a pro gamer move.
Nice. Big boy? Where are you?
Where are you?
Doobie doobie doo.
I'm so sorry.
I cannot sleep.
I can't drink tonight.
Oh god.
Somebody alright.
Somebody come get
my God,
her.
Ellie.
Dancing like a stripper. Ah!
Reloading.
What the heck was that sound? There's another one. Where are you?
The what?
Another Tanku. Oh, it's behind. It's there with you. I see you.
The only one with me is the Lord Jesus Christ.
Run,
eh?
run, you haul ass. Oh my god. He's making a burger machine out of Coach, and it died. Nice. He died. Tagal naman ng boat.
Na-traffic lang yan.
Na traffic sa EDSA.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's the person. Oh ew.
Ooh.
No. No. It's on top of me. Okay. We're still alive. Run. Guys, you run. Let's run. Oh my
Where?
god. Here. Follow me. Jump. Bro, oh my god, he's behind us. Okay. Jump. Do the jump.
I have never been to space before. Higher the space to the place we go.
Oh my god. Wow, it's a sniper tank. Coach, you're gonna get left behind. Okay, never mind. Charon.
Lanyati.
Wow. You survived. Deserve. Ooh, you got another.
Oh my god,
achievement.
I'm the winner man.
Wow, amazing.